Namaskar, good afternoon. You're watching Live Wire and I'm Swati Joshi. The INDI bloc is holding its first top-level meeting after nearly 2 years, with key opposition leaders gathering in the national capital today. Around 23 parties have marked their attendance in the meeting. The meeting is underway and it will be followed by a joint press briefing which will take place after the conclusion of the discussions. DMK has stayed away from the gathering after its fallout with the Congress in Tamil Nadu. Aam Aadmi Party has publicly distanced itself from the alliance. In Jharkhand, the JMM remains unhappy over Congress's decision to announce a Rajya Sabha candidate without wider consultation. Okay, the INDI press conference is happening as we speak. Let's cut live.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। और आज हमारे इंडिया गठबंधन की मीटिंग हो गई, जिसमें 25 पार्टियां शामिल हुए थे। सभी ने अपनी अपनी राय दी और उसके बाद ये हम 5 पॉइंट पे आज सहमति जताई है और इनके लिए इन मुद्दों पर हम डट के काम करेंगे, लड़ेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे। पहला पॉइंट है, इट वाज एग्रीड टू सेंड ए लेटर टू चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ऑन SIR, वोट लूट एंड स्टीलिंग इलेक्शंस. द लेटर टू बी डिलीवर्ड टू द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया वेरी सून. Second point, it was unanimously agreed to demand the immediate resignation of the Education Minister because he presided over the betrayal of lakhs of youth who appeared for NEET and CBSE examination. Third point, the Union government should immediately call an all-party meeting to discuss the precarious current economic situation, unemployment, price rise, and farmers' issue and other people-centric issues. Fourth point, it was unemployment, price rise, and farmers' issue, and atrocities, and people-centric issues. Fourth, it was agreed that all of us parties would meet every 2 months. The next meeting will be held in Hyderabad on 8th August. Then, fifth point, Parliament coordination will continue during the monsoon session with daily morning meetings in the office of the Honorable, as usual, the leader of opposition party. And just I want to correct it. This I said that every 2 months our meeting will be held. The date will be fixed because I said August or 8th. That we will decide the date and let you know. But every 2 months we are going to meet. These are 5 points and many people-centric issues we are going to raise, and this is the agenda today we all discussed and unanimously agreed, all the parties. Thank you very much. Now I will give you in Hindi also so that it will be convenient for all. ये सहमति बनी कि एसआईआर, मतदाता सूची में हेरफेर तथा चुनाव की निष्पक्षता पर उठे गंभीर प्रश्नों के संबंध में भारत के माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश को एक पत्र भेजा जाएगा। ये पत्र शीघ्र ही उन्हें सौंपा जाएगा। दूसरा मुद्दा, लाखों विद्यार्थियों को प्रभावित करने वाले अनेक गंभीर मुद्दों की स्थिति को देखते हुए ये सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय लिया गया कि शिक्षा मंत्री को तत्काल इस्तीफे की हम मांग कर रहे हैं, वो इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनके कार्यकाल में नीट और सीबीएसई परीक्षाओं में शामिल लाखों युवकों के साथ विश्वासघात हुआ है। आज लाखों युवा आज रास्तों पे खड़े हुए हैं। तीसरा, वर्तमान गंभीर आर्थिक स्थिति, बढ़ती बेरोजगारी, महंगाई, एट्रॉसिटीज और किसानों के मुद्दों को हम उठाते रहेंगे और जन सरोकारों से जुड़े अन्य महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर भी हम चर्चा किए हैं। उसको केंद्र सरकार के तत्काल सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाना चाहिए और सर्वदलीय बैठक अगर बुलाएंगे तो इस सारे मुद्दों को हम उनके सामने रखेंगे। चौथा, यह सहमति बनी कि इंडिया गठबंधन के सभी दल प्रत्येक 2 माह में बैठक करेंगे। अगली बैठक अगस्त माह में हैदराबाद में आयोजित की जाएगी। पांचवा, मानसून सत्र के दौरान संसदीय समन्वय जारी रहेगा और प्रतिदिन प्रातःकाल माननीय नेता प्रतिपक्ष उनके कार्यालय में समन्वय बैठक आयोजित की जाएगी। ये इतने विषय हैं और इन विषयों पे सहमति बनी है। हम सभी यूनानिमसली इसको दी है। उद्धव ठाकरे जी और हेमंत सोरेन जी भी वो ऑनलाइन पे बात किए, अपने विचार रखे, वो भी इस सारे चीज़ों मुद्दों पे सहमत है। बस यही आपको कहना था, संदेश आपको देना था। इसीलिए हम सभी पार्टी के सभी नेता दल यहाँ पर बैठे हैं। आपको सभी को धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
All right, so press conference done, no questions taken. Mallikarjun Kharge briefing the press about 5 issues, core issues that were discussed during this INDI block meeting. He says a letter will be sent to the Chief Justice of India on the issue of SIR to highlight vote loot. Next, unanimously, the INDI block constituents have agreed to demand immediate resignation of the Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. They are also demanding that the centre call an all-party meeting to discuss economic situation, unemployment, price rise, atrocities and people-centric issues. Now, he also said that all the parties, constituents of the INDI will continue to meet every 2 months. The next meeting will take place in Hyderabad, and that parliament coordination will continue during monsoon session. The meetings will take place every morning. Towards the end, Mallikarjun Kharge, they're emphasizing, stressing that both Uddhav Thackeray and Hemant Soren joined virtually. So they were also involved in the discussion, but no questions were taken. Let's go across to Niyamika, who's getting us more details. All right, we'll try and connect with Niyamika to get more details and some reactions as well. Now that the press conference is over, the INDI leaders will start leaving one by one. It will be interesting to have a conversation with some of them. So Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge there through the press conference, and you can see Mamata Banerjee sitting on one side, Rahul Gandhi on the other side, trying to display unity in the INDI bloc. Mallikarjun Kharge talking about the 5 core issues that were discussed. Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti also attended the meeting. Let's go across to Niyamika now. Sonia Gandhi was seen sitting next to Mamata Banerjee. Niyamika, Mallikarjun Kharge spoke about 5 core issues. They are demanding the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. They want an all-party meeting to be called by the centre and others.
Well, yes, indeed. Now the press conference is over. Leaders have also started, leaving from here. Mamata Banerjee has left. Even, Tejasvi Yadav is also leaving from Constitution Club. We have heard that how Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has put forward 5 points which have been decided in this particular meeting, which also includes that the entire India bloc is going to unanimously demand the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Apart from that, they are also going to write a letter to the CJI against the SIR exercise which is getting conducted. He has also mentioned that the next meeting is going to take place in Hyderabad. You can see that how now the leaders have started leaving from Constitution Club. This is going to be a very important meeting, as there is a very important point which is being there, that no questions were being taken during this press conference. We have seen that how there was continuous rift which was widening within the India bloc parties, the way in which left leaders have been raising question upon the leadership of the Congress party, and that is the only reason why they had also stated that this particular concern they are going to raise in today's meeting. So what was the official stand which was being taken, as that is not yet being clarified by any of the India bloc parties, as now you can see that the Samajwadi Party leaders are also leaving from here, as not just that, but Mamata Banerjee has already left. Even Omar Abdullah has also left from Constitution Club.
Absolutely, Niyamika. So like you said, yes, no questions taken in the press conference. Mr. Kharge did emphasize that Uddhav Thackeray and Hemant Soren joined virtually, and clearly questions were not taken because there were some questions that would have made them uncomfortable. There was no word on DMK, on Kejriwal, and like you said, what the left has been saying.
Well, yes, indeed. Even before this particular meeting, the way in which statement was being given by DMK that they are going to boycott this meeting because the way in which Congress party has backstabbed DMK, its own alliance partner in the state of Tamil Nadu, that was unacceptable. On the other side, CPM had also raised a concern over the remarks which were being made by Mr. Rahul Gandhi during the Kerala Assembly elections. All of these issues were expected to be taken up in today's meeting, and it might be possible that some of the leaders...
मीडिया को जो है ब्रीफ कर दिया गया है, 5 मुद्दों पर जो है समिति जो जताई गई है, और हम लोग सब लोग साथ हैं।
बिहार को लेकर क्या थोड़ा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने जो बोला, उन्होंने कहा कि चुनाव आयोग की निष्पक्षता पे सवाल है।
हम तो पहले से कह रहे हैं बैलेट में चुनाव होगा तो बीजेपी कहीं टिकने वाली नहीं है।
Alright, so that was Tejasvi Yadav saying हम साथ साथ हैं, बैलेट पर चुनाव होना चाहिए, बीजेपी कहीं टिकेगी नहीं. Niyamika, perhaps you can also try and get a small reaction. So at the moment, 25 parties have attended this meeting, and like Tejasvi Yadav said, the message that they're trying to send out is हम साथ साथ हैं. Niyamika, can you hear me? Okay, I think maybe Niyamika is not able to hear me. We'll fix that line and go back to her. Meanwhile, those are visuals coming in. On one hand, of course, the press conference that has just concluded. Next to Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge is Mamata Banerjee. Sonia Gandhi is sitting just next to Mamata Banerjee. On stage, you also had Mehbooba Mufti, Akhilesh Yadav, Rahul Gandhi seated there just next to each other. And we also had visuals of these leaders leaving now from the Constitution Club. Once the press conference is over, Tejasvi Yadav did speak to the media and he said, "Hum saath saath hain, ballot par chunav karaiye, BJP tikegi nahi." And now there are visuals coming in of Sonia and Rahul leaving as well. Let's go across to Niyamika. Over to you, Niyamika.
Well, Well, yes, you can see that now the leaders have started leaving from here. It's Mehbooba Mufti who is leaving from the Constitution Club, as now the meeting is already over, and the 5-point agenda which is also being shared during the press conference. Let us try to speak to Ms. Mehbooba Mufti that what she wants to say about this particular meeting. As we have already seen that there was a question which was being raised upon the unity of the India bloc parties that is not yet being addressed by any of the leaders. In fact, Ms. Dola Sen, who is the TMC's MP, she is also here. She is also leaving from the Constitution Club. Let us try to speak to her, ma'am. Ma'am, the way in which Dola ma'am, the way in which there is a rift within the TMC. Any discussion? Just one question. Ma'am, now the Rajya Sabha MP has also resigned from the party.